When we hear stories of people who achieved financial success, it's common to think they were so lucky. But the truth is, building wealth is rarely about luck. It's about choices. Daily, conscious, and strategic choices. Let's talk about this together and discover how every decision you make can be the first step toward your financial independence. Building wealth is nothing more than a choice. It might sound bold to say that, but this idea reflects what many successful people have learned over time. You don't need to be a financial expert or have advanced technical knowledge. What truly matters is making conscious and consistent choices that move you in the right direction. Often we associate wealth with being born into a wealthy family or being in the right place at the right time. But women around the world, especially here in the United States, have proven that this isn't true. Think about entrepreneurs who started with almost nothing, or mothers who completely transformed their family's financial reality simply by reorganizing their budget. The story is always the same. Consistent decisions made over time lead to extraordinary results. Wealth isn't just about luxury cars, big houses, or designer clothes. For some women, it's the freedom to travel with their family or simply take a worry-free vacation. For others, it's having a practical and well-equipped kitchen to prepare meals for the people they love. True wealth is about living with abundance in a way that makes sense to you. Often we focus on accumulating material things, like designer clothes, gadgets, or that dream car, because we believe they'll bring lasting happiness. But in reality, experiences offer so much more value. A special dinner with friends, a family trip, or even a course that teaches you something new can create memories and skills that enrich your life in ways no object ever could. It's not about giving up everything you love, but about reassessing your priorities. Investing in experiences that strengthen your relationships or broaden your perspective can be one of the most rewarding choices you'll ever make, and something that truly makes a difference in the long run. Those memories, without a doubt, will stay with you forever. Think about it. How many times have you made a small decision that ended up making a big difference? Maybe you resisted the temptation to order food delivery and saved $30. Or perhaps you negotiated the price of something important, like repairs for your home. These choices add up, and that's where the secret lies. Conscious financial decisions are like planting seeds. At first, it may seem like they don't make much of a difference, but over time, they grow and create a solid foundation for your wealth. For instance, avoiding unnecessary debt is a powerful choice. It might seem easier to pay just the minimum on your credit card, but the longer you delay, the more expensive that debt becomes. Another example? Creating a simple budget that works for you. Nothing complicated, just knowing exactly where your money is going and prioritizing what truly matters for your goals. Building wealth isn't about waiting for luck. It's about being intentional with every choice you make. And the best part? That power is already in your hands. You already have everything you need to start transforming your financial life, even if it feels challenging right now. It doesn't matter where you are at this moment or how much you think you know about finances. Getting organized is something any woman can do. You are strong, resilient, and full of potential to learn and grow. You may have faced difficult situations, but every obstacle you've overcome is proof that you're capable of taking the next step. Starting small doesn't diminish your greatness, because it's in the daily steps, even the simplest ones, that the biggest changes happen. You deserve a life of abundance, and you can achieve it. Before any practical action, it all begins in your mind. And this is where many women tend to get stuck. The way you see money, your beliefs, emotions, and even the advice you heard growing up, directly impacts the decisions you make. If you don't change this mindset, you may keep feeling like it's never enough, even as your income grows. Phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, or only the rich get richer, are limiting beliefs that make us accept the status quo without questioning it or seeking new opportunities. But here's a secret. Money isn't the villain. It's just a tool. And like any tool, you can learn to use it to your advantage. Imagine what it would be like to change the way you think. Imagine believing that you can thrive without taking anything away from anyone else. This kind of mindset changes everything because it transforms the way you make decisions. For example, if you believe that investing is only for the rich, you're likely to never start. But if you shift your mindset to, I can learn to invest even with a small amount of money, you open the doors to an entirely new future. And you know what's even more amazing? You can start with just $25. Here are 3 simple steps to help you transform your mindset and your finances. First, visualize your financial goals. Where do you want to be a year from now? How about 5 years from now? Write down those goals and picture yourself achieving them. Next, keep learning. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts. The more you learn, the more confident and motivated you'll feel. Finally, celebrate small victories. Did you save $50 this month? That's an achievement worth recognizing. Happiness is essential when it comes to building wealth. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, brings positive energy and inspires you to keep moving forward. This energy not only strengthens your discipline, but can also positively influence your family and friends. Now that we understand the importance of mindset, let's talk about practical actions, the ones that truly transform your financial life. Because at the end of the day, wealth isn't built on good intentions alone, but on consistent decisions. Prioritize investments over unnecessary spending. For example, before buying that $5 coffee from the cafe on your way to work, ask yourself, is this helping me reach my financial goals, or is it just a fleeting desire? Swapping small weekly luxuries for monthly investments can be the difference between stagnation and growth. Today, there are many accessible platforms where you can start investing with as little as $25 a month. The key is to build the habit and let time and compound interest work in your favor. Another powerful strategy is diversifying your income. What if your salary was just one part of your financial plan? Many women in the United States have found opportunities through freelancing, online services, or even side businesses. Every extra dollar can be directed toward achieving your goals. Setting clear goals is also essential. Think about dividing your objectives into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Saving $500 for an emergency in 3 months could be an initial goal. Paying off a larger debt within 2 years might be a medium-term target. And building a solid retirement fund? That's the kind of long-term goal that changes lives. Simplify your finances, automate payments, set up automatic transfers to savings, and keep things practical. The less complicated it is, the easier it will be to stay focused and in control. Real stories show the power of conscious choices. Amy, a single mom, started investing $25 a month. 2 years later, she increased her contributions to $100 a month. And today, she has over $7,000 invested, something she never thought was possible. Mia, who went through a challenging divorce, paid off her debts in 3 years and is now saving to fulfill her dream of traveling. And Emma, at just 29 years old, opened her own design studio after consistently saving 10% of every paycheck. These stories prove that building wealth isn't about luck, it's about choices. What will your choice be today? Maybe it's reviewing your expenses, creating a savings plan, or even watching more videos like this one to learn new strategies. The important thing is to start and keep going. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.